Hello, and welcome to the Eye Glaucoma YouTube channel. Guess what? MIGS University is taking a twist and turn in a new direction. After the recent 4-part video series on iStent Inject, covering the what, where, why, how, and in who, you asked some very good questions, and we're going to give back great answers. So get ready for a supplemental mini video series on iStent Inject, pre-operative, intraoperative, and postoperative frequently asked questions. We'll give answers to questions like, how is the iStent Inject advantageous over other MIGS options that don't leave a device in the eye? Or, what do you do if you insert the iStent Inject incorrectly in the OR? Or, can the iStent Inject ever become dislocated in the eye and cause secondary issues? For example, if one has environmental allergies and accidentally rubs really hard on the eye, can it dislocate? Answers to these questions and more coming right up, so stay tuned and subscribe to the Eye Glaucoma YouTube channel so you surely won't miss it. That's all for now.